Hello children, I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to make a crow craft. Yes, so come on, let's get started. So children, to make this crow craft, we will require few materials. So let me show you all the materials. We will require A4 size white sheet, then we will require black sketch pen, then we will require Fevicol, scissor, crayon, sketch pen, brush pen and all our drawing materials. Okay? So come on, let's get started. Let's keep A4 size sheet in a sleeping position. We are going to keep our paper in a sleeping position. And yes, Komal ma'am is going to draw it with a sketch pen so that you all can see it clearly. But you all can draw it with the pencil right now. If you will make any mistake, you can erase it, right? So come on, you can draw it with the pencil. Later on, you all can trace it again with a black sketch pen. But right now, draw it with a pencil. So we are just going to keep our paper in a sleeping position. And now we are going to draw a beak of a crow. Okay? So for that, we will just make a curve like this. I hope you all will draw it along with ma'am. Yes. So just make one curve. It's a small curve like this. Okay? And we are going to draw a beak like this. Okay? Come on, let's do it. Just make a sleeping line like this, a curvy line. Then we will just make one curve from here like this and one curve from here like this. So the beak of a crow is getting ready. Okay, we are just going to make one slant line, another slant line and we will join it with the curvy line. So this is how the beak of a crow will look like. We can just make one stroke inside like this. Yes, just make a one curvy line. Got it everybody? Very good. Now what are we going to do is, we will just make a body of a crow. Yes, the body of a crow. So for that, from here, we can just make one curve and we will go in. Yes, we will just make one curve and we will just go in like this. Yay! The crow is going to look really very wise and it's going to look black in color. Yes, we are also going to color the crow. So we have just made it inner side. Now from here, we can again make one curve which will come down like this. Got it everybody? One curve, go in, make another curve. So this is going to be the body of a crow. Okay. And we will also make a tail. So for that, we will just make a slant line, come in. Slant line, come in. Again slant line and come in. So this is the tail of a crow. Okay. One curve, go in. Another curve, then slant line, come in. Slant line, come in. Again slant line and it will come in like this. So this is going to be the body and the tail of a crow. Very good. Wonderful. Now let's move ahead and let's make the cute little wings of the crow. The crow will require wings, right? To fly up in the sky. So let's make cute little wings of this crow. So over here in the center, we can just come out and we can just make a curve. Come out and just make a curve like this. Okay. And from here only, again one curve, go in. Again one curve, go in. And and again one curve like this. So this is how the wings of the crow will look like. You can later on trace it with a black sketch pen. Later on, not right now. So this is how the wings of the crow will look like. Okay, we have made a beak, we have made a body, tail, wings. Now from here we will close this portion. So for that again we can come down, curve, go in, curve, go in. So this is how the whole crow is going to look like. The whole body of a crow is going to look like. Okay? Well done. So we have made the whole body. Now comes the eye of a crow. Right? So for that we can just make a circle. And inside that circle we will just make a small eyeball like this. Got it? So the picture is ready. But now you can just trace the whole picture with the help of a black sketch pen, and we can even erase the pencil mark. Okay? Come on. We can just erase the pencil mark and we can just trace the whole picture with the help of a black sketch pen. And we are just going to color the picture. So for the coloring we can use brush pen, oil pastel, crayons, Bex crayons, plastic colors, whatever is available with us, we can use that. I am just going to make the beak of this crow yellow in color. Yes, it is up to us. However you want to color, we can color. We can pick up our favorite colors and we can make it look beautiful. Okay? So what I am going to do is, I am just going to make this crow black in color. Yes, I am going to make this crow black in color. So for that I have just used my brush pen and I will just color the whole body except the eyes and the wings black in color. Yes, like this. We will just move on and we can color the whole crow black in color. Okay, like this. We will just color the whole body of a crow black in color. Okay, like this. The whole body we are going to make it black. Everywhere we will color the black. For the feather, for the tail, for the the whole body, we will all make it black. Everywhere we can just make it black. Here also, and we have to make sure that whenever we color it nicely. No white space should be seen, right? Everything we have to color it nicely. No white space should be seen. We have to make sure that we color it nicely in one direction, like this. Make sure that you finish coloring throughout the body. Don't leave any white space. Everything should be black in color. Don't color the eyes. We are going to keep the eyes white only. Okay? And everything looks really beautiful. This is how the whole crow is going to look like. We have colored the whole body of a crow black in color. Now it's time to color the wings. I am going to color the wings little grey in color. If you don't have grey color, you can just keep it a white also. But I am going to use a little grey, that is a little sparkly color. So I am just going to make a little sparkle color over here. A little grey tone I am going to use, and I am going to give few strokes like this. Yes, we can just give few strokes over here also, and we will make the wings look beautiful. Okay, like this. And the beautiful crow is getting ready. But still we have a lot more to do. We have to cut the crow nicely, and we have to make cute little legs of the crow. If you wish, you can just give a little bold border to this crow. So let's take a scissor and let's cut this crow in a perfect shape. Scissors are really very sharp objects, so be very careful while using scissor. I'm just going to leave a little space and I'm going to cut it. My little ones can definitely take help from their mama daddy in cutting the crow. Okay? We have to cut the crow edge to edge in a perfect pattern. You can use this as a puppet and you can narrate stories as well later on. Yes. And I am just going to cut it edge to edge. We have to keep our desk clean, so make sure that you don't make your desk dirty. I am just going to cut the crow like this. For cutting we need practice. We require a little practice. So in your free time you can always practice cutting perfect shapes or strokes or anything. That will enhance our finer motor skills too. So I am just going to make a curve. Then I am going to make another curve like this. Got it? So this is a crow which is ready. The body of a crow is ready. Now what we can do is, we can just take a white sheet and on this we can just make legs for crow. So for that I am just going to take a yellow color. Only yellow color I am going to use, and I am just going to make a standing line with a yellow color. Okay, like this, a standing line and one slant line, another slant line, and the leg of a crow is ready. Right, one standing line, one slant line, another slant line. So the leg of a crow is ready and we can cut it as well. If you don't want to do it with a sketch pen, you can even use yellow color paper. Yeah, we can do it with yellow color sheet as well. Okay, just make a standing line and two slant lines. So the leg of the crow is ready. We will then paste it over here. Okay. So on this leg also, I am just going to make yellow strokes. You can directly use yellow color paper as well. It's up to us. Whatever material is available at our home, we will use that. And once the strokes are ready, we can just apply a dot of a Fevicol. Yes, only a dot of a Fevicol. And we will paste one leg here, and the crow is ready. Wow, it's looking perfect, right? We have made a beautiful body. We have made wings as well, beak also, and we have made legs also. This is what we have created today. It's looking really amazing. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed making this crow craft along with me. Bye for now. See you all soon.
Hope you enjoy your class videos. Hit the subscribe and bell button below to get regular updates about our video